In this video, you will learn how to make shaker bow ties or hair clips. For this, we need these materials. First, I cut two fabric rectangles measuring 6 by 9 inches. Then I folded them to create pockets for the sequins. After that, I will fill these pockets with these sequins. Here I am using three different type of sequin. Some of them are hearts, bunnies, and others are like stars. So I will be using a pinch of each sequence on the both sides of the bow. Repeat the same process on the second one. And then fold the edges on in the center of the bow so we can pinch the bow. Length of each bow is actually 4 inches. Here I repeated the same technique to pinch the second bow. After pinching the second bow, please do not cut the thread, and now put both of these bows together and tie them from the middle of the bow. Then I took a rectangle of 6 by 2 inches and folded so I could wrap it around the center of the bow. Now In end, I glued unicorn resin sticker in the center of the bow. If you like my content, please do like the video and also subscribe to my channel for more.